kahapon kay ano, na rin. Ay,
Liga.
ang liga.
Ay, kahapon ba na ba?
At nipunta kaso, ano ko, ang drum inter, ada ko may, ano, ada, may sinta.
Appointment.
Oo. Kaya niyang punuan, ano, alam ko na.
Oo, alaw na nga niyan.
Ang parade, may
Dito lang pa rin.
alaw na.
Alaw na.
Sina?
Ay. Life living here in Bicol province, Philippines. Hi everyone.
Ha? Hindi man ako maano. Maano doon. Ano yun?
Sorry. Please, another question. Another question. Nabayadan ko na ikaw ha.
Okay na? Ako kayo tabi.
And then the corn.
Ikaw, makakasama na si Dada.
Ay, salamat.
Kung ano mo si Dada, kung kung magreklamo ka naman na mapinito.
Oo, mapinito. Nakusog pa eh. Nakusog. 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 May isda doon pa eh. Hi Sharon! Hi, how are you? Hi sis, who's that? My father. My father gets sick. Where's the father? She's my niece. I just got home from work, so she taking care of my father. Are we taking care of him? All people here, they're taking care of my father. Wow, he looks so, yes. That's right. But I think he is a little bit fine now than before. Before, he so much felt so pain. So that's why. Hato na ka mo? Sige. Ano ko na lang si Papa yan. Thank you for watching, two people. My niece going with her daughter. That's why I'm here now. So that's why. They're going to Guam with her daughter. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Babang! 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 Miss Hua! One more. Babang! Bye-bye! They're going to that town. Because why? She's selling the banana.
Ang gunting niya.
Oh, paguna ko yan sa imo.
Mama,
Ay, ito man ako, wa. Oh, kiss mo si Wawa. Ay, si ano, di kita kay...
So pretty talaga. Aray ko pala siya.
Ay, ang bigat ko naman. Oh my God. I-separate na natin ito. Separate naman yung upuan. Mahinang nilala. Ano ba yun? She's my niece. She's so beautiful. Say hi. Say hi. Bango! So mabango. So sexy talaga. She's so cute, yes. She's my niece. My brother's daughter. Super cute. Tobe! He's my father. Tobe! Ha? Meron ka? Meron ka? Tubig? Meron ka tubig? Ano na lang? Magsabi ka na lang kung meron ka. Oo. My father-in-law lives in Laos. He has pneumonia now. Oh my God. Too far from you. He's far from you. What happened? Ha? Saan? May isda yun? Wala. He wanted to go back to his country and marry another wife, so he will make his pastor. Oh my God. Oh. Sabi nga niya, maybe his wife taking care of him. I hope. We hope that his wife taking care of him. Maybe. He needs taking care of your father, Shannon. He's just 71. 71. My father, 82. 82 years old. Hello, Opal King, John Boy, hi. Yes, his first wife passed almost 5 years now. Oh, then she find another wife. So, Mike, this is the second wife. Huh? Mike, I'm his second wife in the future, so I'm responsible to taking care of him, something like that. So we need to taking care of the husband and the wife. Hi, Sir Bell. Yes. Ikaw ka na? May sindi ba kayo dito? Para na.
Gilo.
Ha?
Gilo.
Kaya man. Nagano ka mo? Grace? Nagano ka mo? May ano ba gani diho? May ba yun? Magluto na lang ako dito. ko ano lang kayo.
Tapos ko nga nilinag
Ang bilog.
isaruda.
Longganisa.
Tita, may pasikantong ka mo
Oh, may
ba?
baka dito pansit canton. Tapos may longganisa baga doon mo.
As, nananakalan kita mami ha.
Gusto mo tobe? Tobe. Gahe. Ano gahe? Ano pala? Ang gahe, ano pa? Buladon pa ang gahe. Kawa, at 3,000 mo bayad na. Binayad na. 3,000 mo na. Dahil na napagkita pang price na din. Kaya po ko na price na yun. Kamu na dyan. Oh, kayo sa na 500, sa na 100. Size yun to. Hindi kayo size meal. Ha? Tong ko na.
Papa, ako nang para sa inyo.
Tayo.
Akay ba may owner ang marabatay nga? Ipapay mo sa mamay nga. Ngayon,
Aren.
may owner tapos ipapay mo sa mama tapos tatagal sa sa cellphone. Ano nito?
Edan. Bakit na tobe na? Pinagilang ko din sa padukan. Sabi na rin yung isa. Hindi siya makaano sa size meal.
Akay wala pwede ang pang-shirt ko.
Pang short? Ano yun?
Ang pang-shirt. Kaya, wala man may daong. Aray, aray.
Hindi ka magigda. Ay, paparat ka to. Nandig ka ng papay. Ako lang para sa kwarta. Ha? Wala, suli. Wala, suli ni Maway. If I could take it, natipog ka sa tubig.
Meron na.
Dan sila mo.
Init pa si Ash. Fresh na. Dali na tabi na.
Ha? Ha?
Ano kay?
Ha? Diba? Naopsan ka sa tunatubay.
Saka.
Thank you, sir. I will be responsible to taking care of my wife too. That's good, Shannon. Proud of you as a woman, as a wife. That's it. A responsible wife. I'll let you taking care of you if you need to pay attention. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shannon. I'm fine, Dr. Nazir. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, Sir Bell. From Philippines. I'm from Pakistan. Nice to meet you. I need to go on because I want to say thank you for joining. Need to say bye for now. Busy to go. I just want to eat and go to work. Bye bye.